Yeah, just happy to win and to get through it. Yeah, it's a great match. Jeremy did a really good job. Slice was staying low. He was running on every ball, fighting hard. So you have to respect that. Um, yeah, I could have maybe been able to sharper, but on his part, he did a great job and it turned out to be an amazing match. Yeah, I definitely didn't play my best, but I actually really enjoyed the fact that it was close and a good matching. It's nice to be in those situations where you have to fight and dig deep. So I enjoyed that opportunity.
I feel like he just kind of just got a lot more steady, which is what I expect at some point in time. He just got more steady. A couple of times I got wrong footed. It was like 3 4 points. That's me trying to like get into position. I got wrong footed. That's fine. Couple other points I just couldn't get into position. Um, and in situations like that, I mean, I just stayed aggressive, and sometimes you just need a little bit of luck. I mean, didn't really get a lot of it in the back end. Yeah. I feel like if I was able to kind of stick to the game plan like I did in the second set, I feel like it would have been a little bit different at the back end of that super tiebreak.